Alright guys, so take two on this bike tour. What I had happen was I shoot the video, but my camera was facing too much down, so now I have a different setup. As you guys could see, what I did was I drill a bit in here and then mount this bracket. So now I'm just using like a selfie stick, custom made, as you can see, then run the wire in here, and then the mic is inside. So thank you guys for coming today, joining me. We're gonna be shooting this video in downtown Boston. Hope you guys could get some epic scenes, so stay tuned. All right, let's roll.
See how the wind noise operates with the mic. Hope it's much better. But guys, as I was saying in the last video, how I really enjoy this bike. Like, observe the bumps really good, and the handling is really great too. And we got a distance to go, so I'm gonna have to watch the battery because I haven't charged it in a while. Alright. So we gotta do a pit stop before, and then we head out. But I'm so happy that I got the camera mount set up. Finally could bring more video riding the bike with you guys. And as you can see, it's saying it's fully charged. I don't know if you guys can pick that up now. But it's really not, because I've been riding 2 rounds on it. I rode like at least 30 miles already. But unfortunately, that video, I couldn't use it because it was just the camera mount was too low. I didn't realize it until we finished shoot the video. But now we got it all set, and I'm happy. Guys, also let me know if there's anything on this bike that you guys would like me to go over. I know quite a few people asked me about the height, like how tall am I, and you know how it's the seating position. For me, it works good. I'm 6 foot tall, and it works awesome. Jay say I look good on it, so take that as a plus. I feel good on it. I don't feel like I have to be bending down. Well, unless I'm cutting wind, but I don't want to be bending down on it too so much. It's really good. And it's warmer today. Let's see how far we could get. Yeah, my front brake is squeaking a little bit. I don't know if I had told you guys before. I didn't fix it. I think I fixed it. I put some brake thing in there so the brake don't rattle, but I don't think that's the problem. I think what the problem is that the brake pad is trash. And technically I should be in that lane. I didn't realize this one opens to 2. Oh, we got Jay over there shooting me. So we're getting some wind now, so testing it, guys, testing it. See how the wind, how well the camera is working, and the mic is picking up. Oh, but today's nice. Today is nice. Today is nice. Oh. Mm. Bumpy, bumpy, I tell you. Woo! These roads are bad. See how the regen kicks in. Ooh. Ooh. Our used to be favorite spot, Popeyes. No more. We're done with it. No more meat. That's a nice little muzzle. I love the color. Too small for my foot though. I need to stretch out. So we're gonna go on the beach stretch, guys. See, because today's nice and there's a lot of people on the beach stretch. A lot. Bump, bump. Alright, I think this one. Okay. Here we go, the biggest corner there is. I forgot how it feels to take a deep corner. I had to lean into it. Literally, I just had to just lean it a little bit and it went. It's been a while, over 6 months, I would say. Haven't been on the bike. It's been a long ride. I mean, it's been a long while I haven't rode it. So now we're approaching the Wollaston Beach here in Boston. Oh, this is Quincy. This person's, oh, I thought he was like right up my butt, but I guess not. Jay's like way back there. Oh, Jay's right there. She left me. No, Jay. I got a bunch of stuff in the glove compartment. Well, yeah. Got my lock, my chain. It's all that rattling back there. But then you guys could see a beautiful side of the beach. Me and Jay used to come out here and run, but Jay, no more. It's too cold. But today was a good day to do it. Far way out there is Castle Island. There's actually old castle out there, so it's called Castle Island. Yeah, that's Boston City. That's where we're going, guys. Let's see if everybody have their mask on. Because I was told that Massachusetts overall, it's back in red. Because nobody want to wear their mask. It's getting nice out and nobody want to wear their mask. So therefore, the virus going back up. At one point I was thinking about getting an RV, living it for a year. Jay was like, nope, not doing it. What you guys think about it, living in an RV? Like, we live in New England, so yeah, we have the good weather, the good snow. I don't know how it will work out, but to be honest, I think it will work out fine. To be honest, Jay wasn't all about it. Alright, so you go right there. Alright, thank you. I'm taking that first turn up here. Normally this stretch is full of a lot of cars, like show cars. When it, in the summer though, when it gets nice and hot. So then everybody takes out their car, including myself. Oh, that was Jerry. She was right there in front of me. Huh. Didn't see her. It's a nice little commute. Where is Jer? She's not behind me. Oh, she is. She's right on my tail. About to hit the main road, guys. The main road to work. To the journey begin. Oh, it's windy. Got an electric car, an electric bike. Yeah, so we can't go on the highway. Taking the free road. Had my lights on all along. Yeah, guys, just a beautiful Saturday. Loving it. It's a beautiful Saturday, guys. Beautiful Saturday. Got Jay behind me. We on the road. Enjoying this electric bike, so guys, Thank you for joining me, to be honest. The Tesla is moving awfully slow. I think I'm going 30. I think. Wait till JC where we going. Oh my goodness. She gonna be like, what? She have no idea how far it is. Forgot to calculate how many miles I put on it so far. But right now, total we have 474 kilometer. Since I had got it last year in the summer. But I didn't ride it that much. Enjoyed a little bit. So when I catch the good views for you guys. So over here we got the Marina Bay. There you got Marina Bay, guys. I'm gonna have to start moving over to this lane. I could stay in this one for a little bit more.
So you guys, I assume this is downtown Austin. It's right there. He's right there.